Go.
Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to talk about how to work some of the tensioning through the trunk and using the core and the upper body. So trying to feed some slack through the body. So basically, if you think of like two wheels or rollers kind of turning into each other, imagine kind of opening up. Like if I'm going to be lying down on my back, I'm turning along my spine. I'm turning my pelvis, the pelvic tilt here, and I'm going to think about these ribs here and turning those back in too to stretch and open my back. So again, it's going to be kind of like opening where my fingers are there. And then same thing with your chest, your sternum, and your shoulder blades, turning in the opposite direction actually is this, which is going to stretch across the chest that way, but then also turning and with the head now tilting and stretching and opening in the neck. So we're trying to channel and feed tension through the spine to elongate and straighten and support that spine and keep it from collapsing into that accordion. So I'm going to lie down on my back here. You can have your legs up on top of a chair or a couch or something to offload from the legs. I'm just going to have them here on the table. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this pelvic tilt, kind of roll back here. This one's actually trickier, especially when you already have some experience with pelvic tilts. That one usually gets a little easier because you get to use your glutes here a little bit, and your abdominals. Now we got to pull those ribs down, almost like I'm doing a sit-up here, but I got to keep that to open up my back. I'm going to bring my head down now, and I'm going to try to keep this and keep that pulled in, that core kind of, you want to imagine like a cylinder here, like a nice straight cylinder through your body. You're lining the pelvis all the way through. Now I got to keep all that. And when you breathe too, you'll remember to breathe out through the sides of your ribs here, not try to tummy breathe, belly breathe here. I'm going to lift my chest, my sternum, and I'm going to roll my shoulder blades back. Now I can go into like military posture and kind of settle that down, lengthen my neck here, keeping this, and then try to roll my head. I'm not trying to lift it in this case. I'm just trying to lengthen through here and feed up through here. So you should feel a lot of tension if you're tight, and you just got to work on holding that, breathing, and going in and out gently. And that's it.